Good morning, students. I hope you all are fine. Today we are going to start with the question answer of our first chapter, which is Be Prepared. Section A. Complete the sentences in our own words. First one. The speaker won a cookery badge in the Boy Scout simply because answer. He used to suggest ways to encourage Chimpu, the truck shop owner, to improve the snacks. Second one, the dish cooked on the first night at the camp was called Bon Bhujia because answer. The speaker came up with the recipe for the new dish on his own. Third one, Mr. Oliver walked into the forest leaving a trail of broken twigs, pine cones and chestnuts because answer. He wanted to teach tracking to the Boy Scouts. And the fourth one, the speaker lost his cookery badge because answer. Mr. Oliver punished the Boy Scouts for failing to follow his instructions to track him by taking all of their badges away. And the fifth one, Mr. Oliver wanted the speaker to cook an omelette because answer. He was hungry and the boys had finished all the food already. And the sixth one, the bear skipping into the forest was a funny scene because answer. It was wearing Mr. Oliver's dressing gown. Section B. First question. Unfortunately, we were not very good trackers. A. Who does we refers to? Who were they tracking? B1. What did they do instead of tracking the person? Answer A. We refers to the Boy Scouts. They were tracking Mr. Oliver, the Scout Master. Answer B. The Boy Scouts came upon a pool and splashed about in the water instead of tracking the Scout Master. Now the second question. He had waited for us at the far end of the forest for a couple of hours. A. Who is he? Why had he waited at the end of the forest? B. Was he able to return from the forest on his own? Why? Why not? Answer A. He is Mr. Oliver, the Scout Master. He had waited at the end of the forest for the boys to arrive by tracking him with the help of the trail of broken twigs, pine cones and chestnuts that he had left for them. Answer B. No, Mr. Oliver had tried to return to the camp on his own, but had lost his way in the dark. The villagers finally helped him get back to the camp. Third one. But we had to break up our camp in the early hours of the next morning. A. What had been planned for the morning? B. Question. Why did they break camp early? Answer A. The entire camp was supposed to have an early breakfast the next morning. Answer B. The camp was broken early because a bear entered the camp and damaged their cooking supplies. Once it saw the boys, the bear rushed into Mr. Oliver's tent and then ran out, caught up in his dressing gown. These are the bookwork. What you have to do, you have to note it down in your notebook. So here what we have to do, here you can see CN for common noun, P for proper noun, CL for collective noun, A for abstract. What you have to do, you have to write in front of that word which word belongs to which noun. Window, CN. Second, crowd, CL. Third, safety, A. Fourth, Milo, P. Fifth, audience, CL. Sixth, speaker, CN. Seventh, honesty, A. Eighth, ticket, CN. 9, alto, P. 10, series, CL. Next activity, add a, and, a, the to complete these sentences. You already know about the articles and, a, and the. You have already learnt in your previous classes. What you have to do, you have to fill the blanks with the appropriate articles. Next activity, add the in the correct places and complete these sentences. What you have to do, you have to put the wherever it is needed between the sentences. Next one, match the correct adjectives and nouns from the table to complete the sentences. You can see the adjectives and the nouns. What you have to do is you have to match the adjectives with correct nouns, and after that you can see, you can fill these adjectives, nouns in their respective blanks. Answer is given. You have to write it here down. And the next question, read the hints and write the words related to camps by unscrambling these letters. Some of the words are there in the text. Homework. Write and learn all the question and answer. Write them correctly and neatly with good handwriting in your notebook. Second, you have to write all the word meanings which I have given earlier and learn it. Third, book work is given with solution. You have to write down in your notebook. I hope you have understood the question and the answers. Thank you.